Say good morning. No? Okay. It is morning. It is 8:50. We're getting ready to go. And I am starting the vlog. So good morning. It's Sunday. Which means we gotta go to church. It's gonna be a good day. Don't worry. It'll be a good day.
Trees when it's raining.
All right.
I know
you are a your P's with the P style, the P words.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Yes.
I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise.
With a capital P. I am a great big bundle of potentiality. And I am learning to hear God's voice, and I am trying to make the right choices. I'm a promise to be anything God wants me to be. I can go anywhere that He wants me to go. I can be anything that He wants me to be. I can climb a high mountain, I can cross the wide sea. I am a great big promise, you see. I am a promise. I am a possibility, I am a promise. With a capital P, I am a great big bundle of potentiality. And I am learning to hear God's voice, and I am trying to make the right choices. I'm a promise to be anything God wants me to be. We're home. Here's the baby. She's a whining at me. Come here. Come here. She's got to do this every time I say come here. Gotta stretch. It's the key to come here, is stretch. Okay. Lay down. Lay down. We're taking a nap. Nap time. It's nap time. Good girl. Right next to Mama. Why do you want your paw on my leg? On my arm. Good girl. No, no. Made it to work. I'm gonna head in. So, hopefully it'll be a good day. Yeah. It's hot as fuck. I'm gonna see if I can get another canister from A&E. So, yeah. I almost wanted to call him Iggy for some odd reason. His name is Indigo. I don't know. Alright, let's do this. Yay, I'm out of work. It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm almost home. Oh, geez. Can't even see anything. Ah! There's a car ahead of me. It's pretty foggy out here, isn't it? I'm hoping it'll be cooler tomorrow because I'm dying today. I'm all sore and it's still here. It just hasn't been a nice night for me. So this guy is going 45. It's not that foggy, seriously. You can't even see the fog on camera. It's not that bad. Oh my god. Alright. I'll talk to you when I get home. So I'm home. I've been home since 11. I saw 11:11 on my watch. See me's over there. I'm sitting in the beanbag chair. That's my bed. And there's the chair. I'm so tired. But we're gonna say goodnight so I can upload you and get some sleep. Say goodnight. Sleep tight. And tomorrow we're going on an adventure with Mom to Erie. So look forward to that in the morning. Look forward to that tomorrow. So I'm gonna say goodnight. Say goodnight. Sleep tight. And we'll see you all. I did this already. Would you believe I'm partially baked? Yeah, let's do this. Good night.